I'm here on the Wessex FESS course. This is a course which has been running for many years with a fantastic reputation, and I was recommended it by a number of my senior Rhinology colleagues. So I'm at the beginning of my consulting career. I've had a lot of training specifically in otology, but I'm now keen to explore and expand my rhinological practice. There's no better way of getting that training than attending courses such as yours.
So how did you hear about the course?
My senior colleague, Joe Murray, who works in my department, had lots of positive things to say about the course, and he recommended me attend. But I also spoke to some other senior rhinologists who all had very good things to say about the course.
How are the facilities here? How did you find the lab?
It's a great lab. It's based at the University Hospital in Southampton, and it's very well set up. There's quite a large number of delegates, but the dissection lab here is really spacious and lots of stations, which meant that we were all able to be accommodated and get a good amount of dissection.
Thank you. And tell me 3 things that you learned on the course.
Well, my main motivation to come on the course was to properly understand the frontal sinus and the frontal recess. And I think the combination of the lectures from Professor Wormold, the practical building blocks to help visualize and conceptualize the frontal recess, and then following that on with frontal recess dissection was really, really helpful, because one built upon the other and upon the other. So that really helped me to properly understand the frontal recess and gain confidence in this area.
Did you enjoy the masterclass? Because we use this software, so tell us about it a little more.
It's a very interesting and innovative learning tool. So essentially it involves getting a CT scan. So the CT scan allows you to build in and shade and label different cells, so the agonase, the superaga cells, the superagrafrontal cells. So you can label and conceptualize the frontal recess before you go ahead with the dissection. And then we had the opportunity to use CTs from our own cadavers to label our own cadavers before then going into the dissection room, translating what we've seen on the scan to real-life dissection. And that was quite a powerful process to be able to understand and correlate the two, which I can then take back into my practice when I start doing frontal work.